These are the checklists, spreadsheets, and online forms that are included when you get this today. Product Idea Guide. Never worry about coming up with a product idea that will sell ever again. This guide takes you by the hand and makes it easy for anyone to come up with a winning product idea. Graphic design. Quality graphics will make you stand out from the crowd, boost your authority, and will ultimately put more money in your pocket, and this checklist will make sure you stay on top of your graphic designer and get the best results possible. Membership area. Setting up the members area, where you deliver products to your customers, can sometimes be a challenge. This checklist shows you how to get everything set up and linked to your funnel, so it all works for you on autopilot. JV recruitment. Getting affiliates to send traffic your sales page is a great way to get traffic without an upfront investment. This checklist shows you how to find quality JV partners and then gives you a plan to motivate them for getting the best results possible. Sales page. All the traffic in the world won't make a bad sales page convert. There are certain key elements your sales page should have to get the best conversions possible. And more conversions equals more money. Sales page split test. The best way to know what will convert the best is to split test 2 versions. This split test checklist walks you through split testing and makes it easy. Services and software. Do you have all of the services and software you need to make your business run smoothly? All you need is this proven checklist that gives you every step in the process for fast results. Warrior Plus setup. Warrior Plus is a great platform for selling your own products or promoting others' products as an affiliate. This checklist breaks down everything you need to know for success on Warrior Plus regardless of experience. Early bird and mailing. Knowing when to mail and how to mail before and during a launch can be the difference between success and failure. This checklist breaks it all down and makes it easy to mail for maximum results. JV document. This checklist outlines all the JV documents needed to get the most support possible. Sales video. Just like your JV video, having a sales video that hits on the hot points is crucial. This sales video checklist will show you what your sales video must include to get the highest level of conversions possible. Landing and download page. Discover the winning elements of a squeeze page and thank you page for the best results possible. Sales funnels. With online sales funnels, there are things that work and things that just don't. My sales funnel checklist shows you how to set up a sales funnel that converts and puts as much money in your pocket as possible. JVZoo setup. Getting your product set up on JVZoo can be a little complicated if you've never done it before. This checklist makes sure you don't miss any of the steps in the process, will save you time, and show you how to hack some of the powerful, built-in features of JVZoo. JV page. There are certain things you must have on your JV page to get the affiliate support you need for your next launch to be a success. This checklist shows you the exact elements your JV page must contain for crushing your next launch. JV video. With the right video message, you can add an element of professionalism to your JV invite page that will make it easier to get quality affiliates. This checklist outlines the elements your JV video must contain. FB ads product launch. Success with Facebook ads boils down to a step-by-step, proven success formula. This Facebook ads checklist gives you the steps to getting tons of quality Facebook traffic for pennies per click. Final testing. This checklist gives an overview to make sure you've missed nothing and have everything covered, so you save time, don't forget anything, and make as much money as possible. Frequently asked questions. What is IM checklist? Inside, you get access to 18 checklists I personally use to run my 7-figure online business. Why should you get the IM checklist? This is the next best thing to having me show you how to get the best results online. These checklists come from over 10 years of online business experience, and you can get your hands on them today at a big discount. Who should get this? Anyone looking to save time, stay focused, and get better results needs this. How much is this? Although these are easily worth $197 or more, you won't invest anywhere near that today. What will this do for me? This is a massive shortcut to success that makes it easy for anyone to copy what I'm doing in my 7-figure online business. Is there guarantee? Yes, you get 14 days to make sure these are for you. If you're not satisfied for any reason, just let me know and I'll get you a prompt refund.